Hi everyone, you are welcome to this video. This is Elion Educational Consult. In this video we'll be looking at construction of plane scale. We have a question here I want us to look at together. The question says, construct a scale of 1:5 to show decimeters and centimeters and to read up to 1 meter. Show the length of 7.6 decimeter on it. So after we finish constructing the scale, we have to indicate this reading 7.6 decimeter. Now I've been able to bring out from the question the parameters we are going to be needing in constructing the scale. Is very vital for you to know your representative fraction. From the question, our representative fraction is 1:5. Don't forget that representative fraction is the distance on the drawing over the actual length or distance of the drawing. So we have our representative fraction here as 1:5. If it's not given, we are going to calculate that, and refer to my previous video. You will see I've done video on that, how to calculate the representative fraction. Then the next thing is unit to be shown on the scale. The unit to be shown are decimeters and centimeters. So this tells us that it is a plane scale. In the question it's not indicated whether it's a plane scale or diagonal scale. So how to know is that we are told the scale is to show 2 units. Don't forget that a plane scale show maximum of 2 units of measurement. So we have decimeters and centimeters. So those are the 2 units shown on the scale. So we are using, it's going to be plane scale, and it's reading up to 1 meter. So the maximum length is what? 1 meter. And don't forget that 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeters. So we are going to be making use of this as well. Then the next one is length of scale. The length of scale, how do we calculate that? We need to calculate that, though it's not stated here. So we have to calculate that, and that is what we are going to use in measuring, in drawing our scale. So to calculate the length of scale, we say representative fraction multiplied by the maximum length. Representative fraction is given as 1:5. The maximum length from the question is 1 meter. Now we don't forget 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we have here 1/5 multiplied by 100, which will give us 20 centimeters. So we are going to be drawing our scale to this length, 20 centimeters. So let's quickly do that. So we are going to draw a line first. Just draw a line of any length. Then on the line, pick a point, a starting point on the line. So from here I will measure 20. So this is my 20. Okay, so I can call this A, and I call this part B. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give the scale a height. So that height is going to be any convenient height of my choice. So any convenient height of choice. So let me extend this line. Okay. So I place it here. So I want to just draw the height first. I will take the measurement later. Then from here, draw the height. Okay, so let's pick height. Let's pick probably 2. Let's pick 2 centimeter. The height can be of any convenient measurement of choice. So 2. Okay, then we can join connect them together. Okay. So this is the length of scale, which is 20, and I've put in my height, which is 2. So the next thing is that I'm going to be dividing this length of scale that we have drawn into 10 equal parts. Why am I dividing into 10 equal parts? Don't forget that 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter. Okay, now each division into 10 will be, each division will be what? 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, up until 10. Okay, so that 10 decimeter is equals to 1 meter. I don't know if you get that. Let me say it again. Now if I divide this into 10 now, the 10 division on this length of scale in decimeter, okay, will represent 1 meter. The whole length is what? 1 meter. Why? Because the question says the scale is to read up to 1 meter, and don't forget that we use that 1 meter in our calculation. Okay, that is what we use to get this length 20. Okay, so each division, now I'm going to divide that now. So this will be very easy to quickly divide, because we don't need to use method of line division. We have 20 there, 20. So to divide into 10 is going to be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like that. Okay, that, and that. Okay, so then we'll bring in our set square, draw that. So we draw that. You draw for everything. Okay, so then finally we have this. Okay, so you see now, so it means that this division, each of them is 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, and we have 10. So the 10 of this division is equals to 1 meter. So it's reading up to 1 meter. You get that now? So this part now is our decimeter part. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to number this division, but we are going to number like this. Okay, we start this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so we are going to pick one of the decimeter. Okay, one of the decimeter, this part here, this part OAO, we are going to divide that into 10. Okay, because 10 decimeter is what equals to 1 meter. So we are going to divide this space into 10. So we can either use method of line division or just quickly divide straight here, since it is 2. Don't forget that we use 2. Okay, so we can take 0.2 as each division. 0.2, 0.2. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now, you draw the line up like that. we draw it up. You carefully do that. So you have that. So we have this now, so we are going to number this, okay, so that it will not be too rough. I'm going to omit a line and number 0 2. This is to omit the next line, so we'll call this 4, then 6 7 8, like that, then 10. Okay, so this part now, this part of this division now is our centimeter. So this part is our centimeter. Now this 10 decimeter now, okay, don't forget that each place is 1 decimeter and everything equals to 1 meter. So this 10 decimeter now is what gives us our 100. It gives 100 centimeter. So the next thing we are going to do now, the scale is constructed, so we are going to be taking the reading. Very important aspect of the question. It says on the scale, the question says we should show the length of 7.6 decimeter on it. So this 7.6 decimeter now means 7 decimeter 6 centimeter. 7 decimeter 6 centimeter. So this is how we take the reading now. You go to the point where you have the 7. This is where we have 7. So 7. So you can draw that out like this. Okay, 7. Then come to the part where we have the centimeter. Okay, we're going to read 6. So from the back, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6. This is 6. So this is 7.6 decimeter. I hope this is clear. I believe that with constant practice you are going to get it. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. You get more solution of technical drawing question, and you can share the video with your friends who offer technical drawing. Okay, I promise to bring you more solution of technical drawing question. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.